I want to emphasize on behalf of the NRM Electoral Commission that the only mouthpiece of the Electoral Commission at the district is the district election officer or the registrar. Any results you've tallied will not be results which are authentic. The results which are authentic will be announced by the district election officer. And the election is for civilians, NRM members, not members of the opposition. Members of the opposition who want to disrupt the election, we have heard in some parts of Wakiso, you are warned that you will not manage.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.